think I just need a couple more seconds to make sure. Hey everybody, and welcome to Robin's House. Today I'm working on the Heirloom Boutique Scrapbooking Workshop. And so this is the guide. It has a cutting guide in here and then an assembly guide to help walk you through it. And it uses die cuts, pre-designed papers, and then stickers. And you can see by the sticker sheet, there are a lot of stickers left for you to use on another project or add more stickers to the existing project. So this is page 1, and this is actually a pre-designed paper. So it's already looked like you've got 3 layers on this paper and it hasn't even started yet. So that is awesome. Then we added some paneling, some of the paper pack, and then just some of the included cardstock, just cut down, I think 2 1/4 by like 8, and then mismatched. And then we're adding the photo backgrounds and the photos. So on this, the photo placements that we have are backwards. They're only one direction, and I do not like this. It looks like this one is going the wrong direction, so I won't be doing that anymore, but I was giving it a try. And then decorate with your stickers and your die cut shapes to finish this up. Layout number 2 is a little not tricky, but it is, these are all not straight pieces. So they're like 1 1/4 on one side and then 1 3/4 on the other side. And so they're intended to be put on there in a different, big and small, going different directions. So I elected, I don't know if the directions don't have them touching, but I elected to have them touching. And then I just worked my paper that way. So yes, I did my 2 layouts together. If that is not important to you, you can scrunch them up a little bit more and just glue them down a little bit closer together. And then adding in your photo colors behind, adding in your stickers and your die cut sheets to decorate. So this is the hardest part. So I put mine down before I glued them and kind of looked at what I wanted it to end up to be. And you could also put this one down first, wherever you want it to start, and then just slowly build. And then you can always just cut off the top of whatever you end up with. So that it just depends on how you want to layer your stuff. And layout number 3. So this one is a pattern paper on the outside, and then a pattern paper cut down 11 by 11, and then an 11 by 11 piece of white willow cardstock cut in half diagonally. So you could, if you wanted to spare your piece, cut this diagonally, and then you would have to still have white under it if you wanted, but you could save a whole sheet of this if you cut this diagonally instead of the white paper. So that's up to you. Another thing you could do if you wanted is cut this frame out on the back side of your paper, because none of that green paper is visible once you put this 11 by 11 square down. So you could easily cut 1 inch. It looks like I went 1 1/4 inches. Sometimes I do that just so I have plenty of room to glue down, and just do 1 1/4 or 1 inch all the way around, and you'll be set, and you'll have a whole bunch of paper to work with if you choose. And then again, these are stickers that are part of your sticker pack. There's a whole bunch of little stickers that you can use to add and kind of grow your patchwork thing further into the yellow page. They didn't have you use many unless I didn't follow the directions, but I think I did. So you could always go farther. And that is the Heirloom Boutique. So the technique in this is heat embossing. And so what they wanted you to do, if you chose, was put heat embossing powder on some of the elements on this title and on the light hearts on various pages, and then just heat it up so that this entire element, this entire title was heat embossed in the gold. So I didn't do that, and you can elect to try it out or to not to. So thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.